Alright, this will be our fourth tutorial. We're going to do the very top plate that goes on the top of our stepladder. So, we'll create a sketch. We're going to click one of these top surfaces. Okay, so we're looking down on top. Rectangle tool. Now, we want our rectangle to be bigger than this thing. So, we'll start out here. And here. Now we need to set this in the right place and set our sizes. So we're going to use the dimension tool. Okay, from this edge to this edge, 140. From this edge to this edge is 480. Where did I get those sizes from? There they are there. Alright, we need to place it evenly on here. So I've already calculated this. So from this edge to this edge of the stepladder, and this one's going to be 46. And that should be perfectly centered from this edge to the very back edge of the ladder. This one's going to be 26. So just simply type in those sizes, press enter, and then stop sketch. And extrude. This top surface, notice that it doesn't want to select that part, so you may have to click multiple times so we get that whole surface. We want a new component, and the distance is going to be 19. Alright, let's fillet. What edges do you want the fillet? Well, it's all the top edges, so we're going to go around the perimeter and click all 4 edges. So, and the radius is 10. Let's change the appearance. Close. There you go. That's pretty much the whole front section of the stepladder done.